Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Suzuki M109R, 1800 cc's of V-twin power. This thing has got an awesome custom iridescent red paint job and a beautiful custom fairing. Real great show bike. And wait till you hear those Freedom Performance exhaust system slash gut pipes. This is a really cool bike. Corbin seat. Beautiful condition, only 26,000 miles. Shaft drive, fuel injected. Come on by and make your big bore custom cruiser dreams come true for just $89.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.